So, welcome back. It's been a long time. It's been so long that I even don't know what happened in the last episode. I think what happened in the last few weeks was my friend Nino came to visit me here. He stayed for 4 days. We had a surf.
Ja. En dan dan kan je zelf een beetje tactiek uit. Dus is het wel.
And after he left, I went to the Netherlands for a weekend. We played some tunes on the after party of a coffee festival, Amsterdam Coffee Festival, at our friend's cafe, Fuku Cafe in Amsterdam. Was super nice. And then I spent some time with my mom, my sister, my nephew, the whole bunch. I had a surf too in the Netherlands on a Saturday, which was pretty funny. Not too good, but always nice to be back in the North Sea. There was some cow fighting going on, and the cow of Julie's father and uncle was competing. Didn't really go that well. She didn't want to fight, so went out of the comp, but it was nice to see, and everyone just brings food, drinks, and you enter the stadium and they fight it out, so that was pretty funny.
Yeah, she's out. It's like she lost.
Ja.
Because at some point, you have to be, when you -3, you're out of the game. So -3, 5.
Merci, Sion, propriétaire de la 62. Rapprochez, 100 et 134. 100 et 134.
Wow.
And I worked a lot. There were some pro surfers at the bay that I was filming, and yeah, just working. Feels like I work quite a lot, which is okay for now, but yeah, I hope I can soon make some more time for some hikes. I didn't hike in a long time, so that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna try and go to a little chapel at Bex de Boisson, at the base of that mountain, which is on the other side here of the valley. I've been there in summertime, then I made it quite high up, around 3,000 meters. Not all the way to the top. That's something for this summer. Yeah, I'm gonna finish this episode off with a hike. It's snowing outside, so can be interesting. See ya! Forget the most important thing that happened. They started working on our house. Up until now, that means destroying the place, taking out all the wood, the whole floor is stripped. And I'll show you. It looks sort of like this. This was before they took out the floor, but they already took out parts of the ceiling and the walls, and it's one big mess. Hopefully soon they're gonna start renovating. Yeah, what an endless project this is. Like it's already a year that we've been waiting for this to happen, so let's pray that they hurry the fuck up.
Il est collé, et puis quand je l'enlève, ça enlève la partie du dessous.
Ah, puis ça, c'est le plafond. Ça,
C'est le deuxième plancher, c'est le plancher ça.
Ouais, parce qu'en fait, à mon avis,
C'est tellement collé.
sur le truc là, tu tombes sur le madrier. Bon, tu regarderas toi avec tes chefs, mais et en fait, l'objectif,
Bon, bah c'est tombé.
ouais, c'est non pas encore confirmé l'ouverture.
Ouais, ouais, ouais.
Mais de toute façon, les meubles là, je les veux pas. Donc à la limite, la cuisine, tu veux pas toucher, tu peux pas toucher.
On my way to this little chapel, which is really beautiful. I seen it once in summer when I was hiking up this mountain. This trail goes all the way up to Bec de Boisson, which is a mountain over 3,000 meters. I'm gonna hike it in summer for sure. There's also a cabin up there where you can sleep. But yeah, it's snowing quite hard today. It cleared up for a bit and now the snow is back. So it's tough going. I'm guessing another half an hour and I'll be there. Deep snow. Hope I'm almost there because it's a bit too much for my shoes. Look at the sign. It's like a meter at least. I was looking at the record bars of the microphone and they didn't move. So I thought the mic was not working, but it's just absolutely dead silent here. Super beautiful. Glad I made it. So up here is the Maya. We see it from our house. Our house is opposite of here. And you follow a trail up there. You go all the way up to a cabin in summer. And like I said, the Bex de Bosson. So that's something for this summer. But I just wanted to reach this little chapel because I think it's really nice. And just gonna take some photos. They're so funny. He was already warning the deer. I don't know which deer it was, but he was already screaming, "Watch out for this human." Wind is coming from my back, so he can probably smell me by now. Yep. I think I just had a conversation with a pigeon. That's a funny bird. Ah, that's what I absolutely love about springtime. Different kinds of weather in one day. Now it's fully cloudy again, snowing lightly. I had some sun in the top, which was really warm, super warm in the sun. And I had some snow, heavy snow before, so all seasons in one day. Really beautiful hike. But I'm starving. I only took one banana. So I'm gonna head home and I'll see you in the next episode.